In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted chat in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. First, let's clear up the most important points so you don't waste time. If a chat was manually deleted and you confirmed the deletion, OpenAI's documentation makes it clear. It isn't recoverable through the interface, the API, or support. That's the hard truth. The good news is that many conversations people think are gone are actually just archived. Archived chats are removed from the sidebar to reduce clutter, but they remain in your account history and can be brought back. To check for archived chats, open ChatGPT and click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Then select Settings. In the menu, go to Data Controls, look for Archived Chats, and click Manage. You'll see a list of conversations that have been archived. Browse the list, and when you find the one you want, click the Unarchive icon. It looks like a folder with an arrow. That will immediately return the conversation to your active sidebar. If you don't see any entries there, you may not have archived items, or the chat you're looking for was permanently deleted. As a quick tip, archiving is a safe way to tidy up without losing work. So consider using it instead of delete when you're unsure. Another fast way to locate a missing chat is the search bar at the top of your sidebar. Archived chats still appear in your account's search index. Type a few distinctive keywords you remember from the conversation. If it shows up in results, it's archived and you can open it right away, then unarchive it if you want it back in your list. Keep in mind that once a chat is deleted, it's also removed from search, so nothing will appear for that query. There's also a special case worth knowing. Temporary chats. When you start a conversation in temporary chat mode, it isn't saved to your sidebar or history at all. These sessions don't become part of your permanent list. OpenAI may retain them briefly, up to 30 days, for safety monitoring, but they can't be restored into your history. If you want to keep something from a temporary session, copy it before you close the chat. Finally, remember that chat deletion doesn't automatically remove what ChatGPT has stored in memory. To review this, go to Settings, then Personalization, and choose Manage Memory. You might find saved preferences or facts there, even if the original conversation is gone. You can keep, edit, or clear them based on your needs. And that is all for today. Remember, archive when you want to declutter and only delete when you're sure you want it gone forever. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.